Just a reminder.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl TymarrahGi, and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be doing these curly clip-ins from Curlsqueen. As you guys seen by the look of the thumbnail, we're getting into a really cute hairstyle. I'm just going to show you guys what all came inside the box first, and then we're going to jump straight into this tutorial because this is like a very easy, very beginner friendly look that you can do. Showing you guys what the box looks like. Inside the box, it came with this cute detangler brush that we are going to be using. And it also came with a silk bonnet. And then it also came with some extra clips that we need, you know, just extra clips just in case your clip-ins like kind of snag or anything gets old. You have some extra clips just in case. So your clip-ins do come in a silk bag. So I'm just showing you guys the silk bag that it comes in. I got one set of clip-ins, and one set of clip-ins should be enough. This is the 18-inch water jerry curly hair. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. And so this is 18 inches, guys. So it's gonna be very full and very cute. You could just wear like a cute little ponytail with this. Like, these clip-ins are literally endless, but I know this hairstyle that I wanted to try today, I knew it was gonna be very cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these off the top, so just so I could see like what we're working with and how many clips that you get in total. In total, you have 10 clip-ins, so I feel like this is enough to do like a full head. Even this alone, this is not even the 4, this is just 4 clip-ins of the 3, I think, the 3 and the 4, and this looks like a whole cute little ponytail or whatever. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Well, I did go ahead and kind of like pre-part my hair for the front, because when it comes to me parting my hair and stuff on camera, it just takes me so long. So I kind of did pre-part the front. I am going to be just doing some quick braids to the back on this part, but I do have to kind of detangle it a little bit because I did just take out some braids, so my hair is not detangled at all. It's just gonna be some quick braids to the back, nothing too much.
Okay, you guys, so I'm just spraying in this leave-in conditioner from Silk Elements. I love this leave-in conditioner. I'm just spraying that in, and I'm just trying to get these braids the best I can. You just need like a good foundation in the back, and I literally had just took out my braids and I did not even detangle my hair for real. So my hair is just looking crazy. It's due for a wash for real, but I knew I was going to be adding like edge control stuff in my hair for this style, so I wanted to just wash my hair after this. So like I said before, you just need a good foundation. So I think I did like 3 or 4 braids in the back. I didn't even do the parting perfect or nothing like that. Like, I just did what I do. Like, don't mind my little kitchen in the back, y'all. Please do not judge the back of my head. I was just trying to get a good surface, and that's what I did. So don't even worry about trying to make everything super flat and stuff. You're not even gonna see it anyway. Just make sure you have a good foundation in the back, and this is what I recommend. You can leave your hair out if you want to, but I would not recommend that because you want it to be like a protective style, not be like maintenance on your hair. And I'm just using this edge control by Silk Elements as well, and this is actually a really good edge control. I haven't used it on my edges, but for braiding it's not bad. And I'm just going between each section that I pre-parted, and I'm going ahead and braiding it down for real. Now, I am still practicing my cornrows. I want to get better with them eventually. Cornrows is something I really want to challenge myself with. So these aren't perfect, but I feel like I did do a good job for me not really cornrolling my hair a lot. I feel like I did a pretty good job for the front, and it still looked really cute and really neat. But I'm just basically just brushing out each section and braiding it for real, and adding my edge control just so it can give me that zigzag cute look that I want.
sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Oh wait, that's another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Coles, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
So now that we're done with the front, I am gonna go ahead and just spray the front with some holding spray, and just spraying it a little bit, and I just tied it down with a scarf for probably like 5 to 10 minutes because I did not really know how the edge control really worked for real. So I wanted to just, lay everything down just so I can ensure that them braids in the front still look really good and really crisp. So now we're starting and adding in those clips. So I'm just starting from highest to least. So you just go in the order of how they have the clip ends in for you, because they pretty much have them, you know, have them aligned so that you can know which one come after which. So we have 2 of them that have 5 clips on them, so I'm just starting with those 2 first, and then I'm just gonna go all the way up my head until everything is full and exactly how I want it. And being that this hair is so full and really curly, you don't have to necessarily stack them like right under each other. You can have like a little space in between, but not nothing too crazy to the point where you can see gaps. You just want to make sure that everything just looks like seamless. And this was very easy, you guys. Like, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it was very easy and it was hard and tedious. Like, no, this is so easy, you guys. This is an easy style that you can do, just like a low maintenance style. Like, if you work out a lot, stuff like something that you can easily maintain. Because when I tell y'all, all I did was wrap the front up and put my bonnet on. Like, I'm going to show you guys towards the end of the video. I'm going to show you guys how I wrap my hair at night with the clip-ins in. But you do have the luxury of taking these out at night if you want to, and you could just wake up in the morning and clip the back in and go about your day. But me personally, I liked to, just keep them in and just put my bonnet on, because it really felt like an install, honestly, like a sew-in install or something like that, because these clips do not move. Once you hook them on, they're not going anywhere, especially if you create that foundation in the back of your hair. These clips aren't going anywhere. So I feel like Curly Me did a really good job on these clip-ins, because I will be doing different styles with these. I might do another video of like different styles you can do with these curly clip-ins. But these clip-ins were bomb, you guys. Like, I've been getting so many compliments on these clip-ins. Like, they're so cute, they're so natural, they're so seamless. And if you have this texture of curly hair, or if you have like any type of natural curly hair in general, I feel like this will blend perfectly with this style. Like, with these style clip-ins, it's just so cute.
Time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time.
So now that I have all the clip-ins in, you want to camouflage the like line of those clips at the top. So I just took some hair from both sides. Well, I had one more clip-in left. And now we're done. See, it looks so full. I thought we was done already, but we had to add that one little clip in. But now I'm just taking hair from both sides and bobby pinning it down to hide the track from the clipping in the front, and then the hair that's going to be brought towards the front is going to hide everything else. But I kind of did it all over the perimeter, so if my hair did blow back or if I wanted to like put it back, you can't see nothing. But I'm just taking that hair from both sides, so crisscross the hair, take one from one side, the other one from the other direction, and just put it over the over the track and just bobby pin it, and it looks so natural that way. And you guys, this is basically the final look. This is exactly the look that I wanted. I was so happy about how this came out, but I'm just showing you guys just different angles of how the hair looks. And I'm going in and adding a little bit more leave-in conditioner, and I added like a little bit of mousse to the hair, but I didn't want to do too much because this is like a very, very natural texture, and I didn't want to try to add like so much mousse and try to like get the texture looking like dripping wet and just stuff like that, because that's not like typically how you would wear your hair like this if like this was your hair texture, unless you're like gonna do a flexi rod set or something. Like, you're not about to sit here and try to just do all of the most. You're just gonna like spray your leave-in conditioner, put your like little mousse in your hair to define the curls a little bit, and be on your way. But I was just loving this hairstyle, you guys. Like, I loved this hairstyle so much. Like, it's just so cute. I was loving it. I was feeling myself. I was really, really proud of myself for the top, y'all. I feel like I did my little 1-2 with those braids, and I just loved it. Now, I did say that I was going to show you guys how I wrap my hair, so we're just going to close out the video with me just showing you guys how I wrap my hair and go to sleep at night. So I just spray the front with that holding spray that we used in the beginning, and that hairspray is just by Pink, you know, like the oil sheen Pink. They have a holding spray, and I just use it by them, and it works pretty good. So I just wrap that up at night, and then I take a bonnet and wrap that, just put my hair in a bonnet. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give your girl a like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys try this hairstyle and tell me how you guys like this hairstyle down below. And of course, all the information for this hair and these clip-ins will be in the description box down below. And I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. GI babies, we out. We'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed, you guys.